Welcome to one of America's most advanced fruit processing operations.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going inside the full process of how guava becomes juice and a whole range of food products here in the United States.
This block looks ready.
Yeah, color's right where we want it.
Every finished bottle, pouch, and jar starts right here in carefully managed orchard blocks.
That one goes processing grade. Copy, mark it C12.
In modern fruit supply systems, quality doesn't begin at the factory gate. It begins with water management.
Sample 17 logged. Brix is on target.
Let's release block B09 for full pick. Internal color looks good. No breakdown, no off smell.
Once the fruit is picked, speed matters. Collection teams have to move guava out of the field quickly, preserve lot identity, and prevent bruising.
Stack juice grade on the left. Copy that, keep block B09 together. Driver's 5 minutes out.
Make sure every bin gets scanned.
This one's Florida block C-12.
By this stage, guava is no longer just fruit on a tree. It has become controlled raw material.
Manifest matches 14 bins.
Copy, send that load to Dock 2. Driver's at the checkpoint now.
Leave that one for cooked juice. Stem's clean now, good to go.
Fresh fruit logistics depend on timing, temperature discipline, and clean lot separation.
Seal's good. Temp's holding at 45.
This step is way more important than it looks. Before guava ever reaches the factory, crews are already grading it, tagging it.
What looks like simple fruit handling is actually a disciplined supply operation.
Final release is good.
Send it to Dock 2.
Tag matches the manifest. Latch it tight, this one's headed to Dock 2.
Now the speed of agriculture meets the discipline of logistics. Loads are staged, sealed, and temperature controlled.
Dock 2, same as the tag.
Yep, Dock 2, seal's already logged.
Unit 21 clear to depart.
Copy. Outbound to Sun Valley. ETA 42 minutes.
For high-volume food processors, transportation isn't a side note. It's part of the manufacturing system itself.
Unit 21, proceed to Gate B, receiving Dock 2. Copy. Heading to Gate B now.
At the plant gate, the supply chain becomes a controlled production environment. Before a single bin is unloaded,
Seal number matches. All right, you're cleared for Scale House 1.
Inbound raw fruit. Proceed to Dock 2 after weigh-in.
Weigh-in provides more than a number. It confirms load volume, supports inventory accuracy.
Tickets printed, send them to Dock 2.
Dock 2 is clear. Let's get QA out here for the seal check.
at the dock, the trailer is no longer just a delivery vehicle. It becomes a controlled receiving unit.
Seal number matches. Break it and open her up.
Looks clean.
Grab the temp gun and pull the first sample.
This is where transportation hands off to manufacturing.
46.1, still within range. Log it under Dock 2 intake.
Give me 5 for cut test.
Copy. Starting Dock 2 sample set now.
Once the load is accepted, the plant moves fast. The goal is simple: transition verified fruit.
That's the release lot. Send this one straight to wash feed.
Once receiving clears the load, the pace changes immediately.
Feed looks good. Bring line 1 up slowly.
Before extraction ever begins, the fruit has to be physically cleaned and visually sorted. The goal is simple but
This is the real handoff point from receiving into processing. Once the fruit is released, it moves through washing.
Brush speed looks good on line 1.
Soft fruit on the left.
Keep the feed uniform, don't bunch it up.
Not every piece of fruit follows the exact same path.
Optical's reading clean, keep it running.
Juice lanes feeding smoothly.
Hold puree feed for the next batch.
This is the threshold where handled fruit becomes processed material. After cleaning and grading, Guava enters the equipment that starts separating unwanted solids.
Pre-brakes holding steady, no overload. Reject solids look normal.
Flow to pulper 1 is holding right on target.
Here the plant starts unlocking the part of the fruit it really wants, the usable flesh.
We've got clean pulp flow on line 1 now.
Seed discharge is normal.
Keep blend hold ready for transfer.
By the time the product leaves the finisher, it's no longer recognizable as raw fruit.
Pressure's steady. Flow rate is right where we need it. PT2 is filling.
Log the start time for this batch.
In just a few tightly controlled stages, fresh guava has moved from a delivered raw fruit to a pumpable product base. This is where the plant begins shaping guava into specific finished products.
Bring it to 12 bricks. Copy, set point accepted.
Let the same guava core become a drinkable nectar, a spoonable puree, or the foundation for thicker cooked foods.
Pectin addition is on target.
Hold the recirc another minute.
Viscosity is building nicely.
Blending gets the ingredients together, but high shear mixing makes them behave like one product. This stage,
Seal looks clean, no leak at all.
Pressure's climbing into range.
Line 1 is ready to send to pasteurization.
thermal processing is one of the plant's most critical control points. Here, carefully manage temperature and hold time.
We're right in the middle of the most controlled part of the line now. Up to this point, the plant has cleaned, sorted, separated, blended, and refined the guava.
Temp is steady. Log the 15-minute verification.
After pasteurization, the product enters a protected holding and routing stage.
Forward flow is locked in.
Vacuum is stable. Foam level looks clean.
At this stage, the product is safe, stabilized, and highly controlled.
Post-thermal sample collected. Send that to QC with the batch label.
BB1 is receiving. Good, hold it there for packaging.
This is the power of a flexible processing plant.
That spread base is thickening right where we want it.
Finishing looks stable across all routes.
Good, let's send the next samples to the lab. Puree route is open. Copy. Sending BT3 forward now.
For thicker guava products, concentration is where the plant begins removing excess water and building intensity.
Concentration's building clean, no foam issue. Aroma recovery is online.
Good. Send concentrate to hold tank 2.
As water comes off, the puree becomes more intense, more valuable, and more sensitive to control.
Viscosity is right in spec for concentrate hold.
Puree finish room is ready to receive.
Start PF1 on low speed. Not every guava product is meant to stay fluid.
That body's looking perfect for the jar line.
Nectar, puree, and spread samples are staged.
Send them all to QC together.
By this point, the beverage route is almost ready to fill, but the plant still performs one final polishing pass.
Differential's clean, filters are good to run.
Puree finish is done. All right, QC can take the release set.
Every path through the plant leads here before packaging can begin.
At this stage, the guava has already become juice bases, puree, and spread-ready products, but none of it moves forward until the lab signs off.
Nectar sample logged.
Send puree to physical testing next.
Flavor may feel subjective, but plants like this reduce a huge part of that subjectivity to numbers. 12.0 exactly, that one's right on target.
Spread is within the line spread limit. Log it under final physical release.
By the time a batch earns release, it has been shaped by machinery, controlled by instruments, and challenged by the lab.
All 3 are cleared.
Attach the release packet to the batch record.
Final release in a modern food plant goes beyond flavor and texture. Retention sample logged and placed.
Panel set for nectar first.
Make sure the spread sample is warm to spec.
No batch moves ahead on testing alone. The final decision comes when process records, thermal logs.
Release signed. Send the lot forward to final prep.
Release packet is confirmed.
Got it. We'll stage the line for final prep.
After release, the plant moves the product into dedicated staging systems matched to its final package format.
Bottle line buffer is cleared.
Bottle line is visually clean.
Sign it off and release the start gate. Every finished product has to carry its history with it.
Code legibility is good. Keep that as the master sample.
Bottle haul is ready. Waiting on product from FB1.
Even with approved product in the tanks, the plant still has one more question to answer.
This is where everything comes together. The product has been processed, refined, tested, documented, and officially released.
All 3 lines are in ready state. Waiting for first product arrival.
What began as fruit in an orchard has now become a fully approved manufacturing product.
Status green. We're clear when product hits the header.
COAs are ready for the shipping packet.
Archive the master code after sign-off.
The technical work of refinement and release is done. The Guava products are now approved, coded.
After all the processing, testing, and release checks,
the product finally enters the world of packaging. Here, bottle feed is clean and centered. This is the moment consumers would recognize immediately, the finished beverage entering its bottle.
Nozzle 8 looks perfect.
Torque is holding steady.
Watch the first 10 for band alignment.
Registration is centered. Puree line is ready for first pouch fill.
The spread line follows a different packaging logic than nectar or puree.
Code landed right in the window.
Label registration looks centered. Keep the master sample at the check station.
Vacuum buttons are coming in clean. Log the first 10 jars for hot fill retain.
Flexible packaging demands its own kind of precision. Fill weight, seal integrity, film registration, and code placement all have to line up perfectly.
Buttons down, and code is crisp.
Bottle case count is 12.
Case code matches the unit code.
Carton artwork is correct.
Barcode scan is good to go. By the time the product reaches finished goods staging, it has already become a real commercial output, coded, cased, and counted.
Case barcode is live.
Layer 3 is down. Send that pallet to wrap when it clears.
Once cases become pallets, the plant has to think like a warehouse and a transportation network. Stability, label.
Pallet 441 is ready for storage.
This is a huge milestone in the process. What started as fresh guava in the field has now become fully packaged, coated, cased.
Once a pallet leaves packaging, it enters a different kind of precision environment. From this point forward,
Pallet 441 received into stock.
The warehouse is where finished product becomes organized inventory.
Load is seated. Back it out and clear aisle 15.
Pedestrian traffic. Use marked crossings only.
warehousing at this scale is driven by information as much as by forklifts.
Pick wave released to dock 4.
That's the first pick for dock 4.
Next stop is B09 for puree.
Lane 4A is complete.
Attach the BOL packet and hold for trailer arrival.
At the loading dock, warehousing becomes transportation. Orders are matched to trailers.
Dock 4 is secured and ready.
Sequence 1 is in. Set it tight to the nose and back out clean. Puree goes in row 2. Set the load bar after the next pallet.
Finished product doesn't leave a facility like this on pallets alone. It leaves with proof baying.
Seal packet is ready for closure.
Sequence 8 is the last one.
After that, close the count and prep the doors.
Rear clearance is good. Market secured.
At the end of loading, everything narrows down to one final transition.
Seal 995184 applied.
After hours of receiving, processing, packaging, testing, and loading, the finished product finally leaves the dock as outbound freight.
Seal is intact, clear for outbound.
Before a shipment rolls onto public roads, the plant closes the loop one last time.
Driver packet complete, so it's set.
Got it, heading to the interstate now.
And here it goes, the product is officially leaving the factory. From this point on, it's all about transportation, storage, retail movement.
All right, breaker, Sun Valley Logistics taking I-75 north. Got the hammer down.
Once a shipment hits the interstate, the factory's careful process enters a broader American logistics ecosystem.
Temps are holding right where they should. Carrier and appointment?
Sun Valley Logistics, dock appointment for food distribution receiving.
Dock R12 is set. Verify the seal and start receiving.
This is where the supply chain becomes visible to everyday shoppers, long before a consumer picks up a bottle.
Looks like they just stocked this.
What started as fresh guava now lives in many forms. A bottled drink, a concentrated puree, a cooked...
Have you tried the guava spread before?
No, but the nectar looks good too. I'll take one.
And that's the full journey lap, from orchard-grown guava to juice, puree, and finished food products ready for real customers.
Behind every finished guava product is a system this vast,